Hello, my name is Satvika and I am going to talk about the gig economy. What is a gig economy? A gig economy can be defined as a work engagement where on one side there is a service seeker, a consumer, with a demand for a specific task. Take the example of food delivery. And on the other side, there is a service provider, that is the gig worker, who can perform that specific task of delivering food. In this economy, tech enabled platforms like, say, Swiggy or Zomato in this case, connect the consumer to the gig worker to hire services on a short term basis. The gig workers include self employed freelancers, independent contributors, and part time workers. In September 2020, the Government of India bought a new labour code, the Code on Social Security 2020, which extended social security to the unorganized sector workers, including the gig workers. The gig economy is expanding at a rapid rate, especially because of the COVID pandemic. Many countries are working on bringing policies to prevent the exploitation of the gig workers to make their working conditions more humane. Some of the reasons for the rise in gig economy could be attributed to the traditional employment opportunities themselves. Employees have to work for a fixed number of hours, but some people prefer working according to their flexible work schedule. And the increasing unemployment rates combined with this is contributing to the massive growth in gig economy. Many times, the gig economy is a win-win situation for both the company as well as the worker. Companies do not have to hire a full-time employee and thereby they can save costs, and workers on the other hand are not tied down to a single company, and after finishing the gig they can work with different people in a different company of their choice. So in a way, the advantages of a gig economy is autonomy for workers, flexible working hours, the rewards for their hard work, and fewer costs for the company in general. However, the economy which is so beneficial also has its challenges. The gig workers do not receive benefits such as health insurance or the retirement benefits that a full-time employee enjoys. Many gig workers are also receiving lesser pay than the minimum guaranteed wage which is given to the full-time employees. This is an unethical problem, but it still persists. There is no guarantee in some cases. Companies may delay or stop payments, and there is always insecurity in the job, which causes or increases the stress of a gig worker. Some gig workers overwork in order to earn a decent amount of money that the regular or the full-time employees earn, and several gig workers complain of a burnout. The exploitation of gig workers is one of the biggest challenges of this gig economy. Some companies are encouraging people to work in the gig economy in their spare time. This can lead to lack of time for their personal life, which would in turn affect their relationships as well as their mental health. So the rise of gig economy is a threat to most workers, even the full-time employees, as some companies are replacing the full-time employees with gig workers because they would like to save costs. So, to conclude, the gig economy will continue to rise at a rapid rate in the coming days, and it can be attributed for good reasons. It can definitely compensate for the high unemployment rates in India. The recent periodic labor force survey from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation shows unemployment rate at a 45-year high at 6.1%, and the highest levels of joblessness is among the urban youth. Other reports show that over the past 2 years, domestic consumption has reduced, industrial growth has flattened, and private investments are lower. This means that the market volatility has hit the drivers of employment. And so, not surprisingly, many, including undergraduates and diploma holders, are now looking at the gig economy to stop the gap solution until the market turns. It's a good thing that gig workers are officially recognized and brought under the ambit of social security schemes. working on the challenges of the gig economy to improve the working conditions is the need for the hour. Thank you.